And now, Vito Sackville-West and Mr. Harold Nicholson.
Marriage is more like a plant in need of constant nurture.
Men tend to regard themselves the plant, and women the soil. Independence has no sex. Virginia is a wickedly brilliant mind. I must know her.
I hear nothing but reports of her madness.
Madness. What a convenient way to explain away her genius.
I hope you're not thinking of running off with her as well.
Why do you think your books sell more than mine?
Popularity was never a sign of genius.
Did you meet her?
I adore her.
An emotion creates a wave in the mind. When writing, that is what you must recapture, that wave.
Virginia?
Nothing happened.
Does she make you want to write or to live?
Both. The truth is, I worry I'm not quite allowed to desire in the same way as you. Do you think there's something wrong with me? Something disconnected?
You're going to project me into the shape of this Orlando.
Yes, it's all about you.
It's as though for years I've had an affair with a lover who never belonged to me.
It's taken me such a long time to find balance.
These snatched moments with you are exasperating. Meet me so we may have another.